Hola! Welcome back to another video. It is Moas, and in this video I will be doing Lego set number 76124, War Machine Buster. This is like my 6th intro. I keep messing up. Yeah, let's see what's inside. Hope you enjoy the video. Comment down below, like and subscribe. Yeah. Yeah, let's get in. Okay, we're opening the bag now, I guess. So in this bag you will get... Okay, three boxes, nothing else. Okay, you get the notebook. You get your bag number 2. Stickers. Bag number 3. Last but not least, bag number 1. Yeah, guys, building mode activate, I guess. Done the body bit, and I think this is the rest of bag 1. So yeah, looking good pretty so far, and the figurines are looking really good so far. Yeah, time-lapse mode continue. Bag 1, 2 more to go. Looks pretty good. I really like the Outriders in this. I like this Wolverine claws. It kind of looks like Wolverine claws. But yeah, I had some mistakes in this, but it is looking really nice. Here, sorry, 1 second. It is looking like really nice, all edges, and I'm so excited for the top. These two, the turret and the lasers thing. But bag number 2, and let's do this. Looking pretty nice, really nice. I love the Quantum Realm. I think it's called the Quantum Realm suit. But yeah, that's cool. Let's move these over and get to this. This bad boy is so sick, so amazing, so much design put into it. Just so cool, just so cool. I'm almost done pack 3. Yeah. After I'm done pack 3, we'll show you all the features, and we'll compare it to the old 2018 Infinity War Hulkbuster Smash Up. I think that's what it's called. I'm not that sure. But yeah, bag number 3, and let's do this. I'm done. After 2 hours and a half, I have finished the Lego set. So we have Ant-Man, 2 Outriders, and we have War Machine, which looks absolutely amazing. Like, I personally think this is like a million times better than 2017's Hulkbuster. But something I noticed was Ant-Man's helmet. Here, let me compare Ant-Man's helmet to the 2018 Ant-Man and the Wasp Quantum Realm Explorer set. Okay, so here is 2019 Avengers Endgame Ant-Man, and here is 2018 Ant-Man and the Wasp Ant-Man. Personally think this helmet's better than this because, like, I don't think Lego paid close attention to. I don't think they really tried on Ant-Man's helmet, to be honest, because I think this is way better. But they're both nice. Like, huge win for 2019 Avengers, the suit, whatever you call it. I don't know. But, sorry, here. Back to War Machine. I'm going to compare this to 2018's Infinity War. Okay, guys, so here is 2018's Infinity War Hulkbuster and 2019 War Machine's Hulkbuster, you could just say. Honestly think these are huge for this. It looks a little taller. The shoulders on the War Machine are more, bulky. The Infinity War one's more smooth. But something cool about this is its toes spread, which is just plain weird. It looks like a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Ha! I love that series. But yeah, this is super sick. But there's one thing I forgot to do and not gonna do. Well, I am gonna do it, but I forgot to do it, but I am gonna do it. That makes no sense. There's a barcode right here, so I'm gonna scan this and I'm gonna show you guys what's on it. Okay guys, 2.5 torturous hours of building this set. I think it was all worth it at the end. This set is still amazing in my opinion, but I think this just beat it by a little with this. So if you guys don't know what this is, hope you guys enjoy the video. It is MOS, and bye guys. Hold up, how do you do this? Oh, that was so sick. Hold up. Is that how you do it? Yeah, and that's going to take me an hour to find. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is MOS signing out for now, and peace.